Welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson, we're going to continue answering November 2024 paper 1 Zimsec. The question on the screen is question number 21. It's under VT graphs. The question reads, the diagram above shows a speed time graph of a moving object. The object decelerates uniformly at 3 meters per second squared from a speed of v meters per second to a speed of 15 meters per second in 5 seconds. It maintains the speed for 15 minutes per second for further 5 seconds. It then decelerates uniformly until it comes to rest after 3 seconds. Calculate v. So the formula for calculating this is, so the deceleration here, they said it's 3. The deceleration is 3, and the formula for this is acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity over the change in time. So change in time here, we can write the change in time is t2 minus t1. So if acceleration here is equal to minus 3, since deceleration is equal to negative acceleration, right? So we have this value, and this value is 3. We have this value as 3 being equal to negative a, which means a will be equal to negative 3, right? So here we say minus 3 is equal to, so the final velocity in this case, because it decelerated from v to 15 meters per second, which means final velocity is 15 minus the initial according to the question is v. So we say v, and then t2 is the time when the speed was 15, which is this time here, that's 5. We say 5 minus, and the initial is this one when the object started to decelerate, which gives us 0. So we are saying minus 3 is equal to 15 minus v over 5. If you multiply both sides by 5, we're going to get this being equal to minus 3 times 5 being equal to 15 minus v. Here we get minus 15 equal to 15 minus v, and if you take v to the left hand side and minus 15 to the right hand side, we're going to have 15 plus 15 being equal to 30 meters per second. So v is equal to 30 meters per second. Let's move on to part B. Part B says, let's go back. It says calculate the deceleration in the last 3 seconds. Deceleration in the last 3 seconds. So we are going to use the same formula as this one, and when we get our answer, we get rid of the negative, because we know that d is equal to minus a. So here we are saying our speed is 15, and here our speed is 0, right? So let me just write it down here. We are saying v minus u over change in time is equal to a, right? So if we calculate it using this formula, it means you're going to get your answer as negative, but then you change it by dropping the negative sign. So the final velocity is 0, and the initial, when it started to decrease, was 15, and the final time here is 13, and the initial is 10. 13 minus 10 is equal to A. So here you're going to get minus 15 over 3, which gives us A. And we are saying 3 into minus 15, you get minus 5 meters per second squared, being equal to A. But if D is equal to minus A, what it means, we are saying minus 5 meters per second squared, which means our answer here, deceleration will be equal to 5 meters per second squared. So here we write 5 meters per second squared. And then the next question says, calculate the distance traveled in the last 8 seconds. So I'm just going to erase this part here. In the last 8 seconds, and the distance traveled is the area under the shape. So in the last 8 seconds, we know that from 5 to 13, that's a difference of 8, right? 13 minus 5, that's 8. So we want to find the area of this trapezium. And we know this is going to be 8, and the height is going to be 15, right? And from here, 10 minus 5, you're going to get, this one is 5. So the area of this trapezium is going to be the distance traveled. So let's go back to the next page and calculate. So the area, we say half sum of parallel sides, and the parallel sides is 5 and 8 times the perpendicular height, which is equal to 15. So here we are saying 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. 13 times 15 all over 2. So here we can say 13 times 15. Here that's 0, here 3, here 1, and 3 times 5, that's 15, and we carry 1 times 5, that's 5 plus 1, that's 6, and you get 5, 9, 1. So 195 divided by 2, we say 2 into 18, that's 9, remainder 1. 2 into 15, that's 7, remainder 1, and 2 into 10, that's 5, and you're going to get your answer is 97.5 meters. 97.5 meters. So I'm just going to write it clearly here. From this stage, you are going to a stage where it says 195 over 2, and that 195 over 2 gives you 97.5 meters. Okay, let's move on to number 22. Let's move on to number 22. I'm just going to get rid of this so that we can see the answers clearly. But you can pause the video and take down the working. So here I'm going to look at number 22. Number 22 says, by selling an article for $20, a dealer made a profit of 25%. Calculate the cost price of the article. So in other words, if by selling at 20 you're making a profit of 25, then it means 125% is equal to 20, right? 125% is equal to 20. So what is 100%? 100% is the cost price. So we know this is going to be less. It's going to be less. So cost price, in other words, we are saying is equal to 100 over 125 times 20. So 25 into this, that's 4. 25 into this, that's 5. 5 into 5, 1. 5 into 20, that's 4. And 4 times 4, you get 16. So $16, $16 is the cost price. And part B says, given that 7t minus s all over 2 is equal to s minus 5t all over 3, find the ratio t s to s. So we just want to express t in terms of s. So here, if we do cross multiplication, we're going to have 3 multiplying 7t minus s is equal to 2 multiplied by s minus 5t. If we remove the brackets, we're going to have 21t minus 3s is equal to 2s minus 10t. And we can take the t's to the left hand side. We're going to have 21t plus 10t equal to 2s plus 3s. 21 plus 10, you are going to get 31t equal to 5s, right? So this is 31t equal to 5s, like that. So what we can do here, we can take s, we put it here. This is t s to s, and we take 31, we put it there, and this is, so if t s to s on this side is equal to 5 over 31, then it means t s to s is equal to 5s to 31. So that's all I had for you today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just send them forward, and I will assist you with how to tackle these questions. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next lesson.